Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Change Production, coming to you late tonight with a new ticker that I've been checking out for the past couple days and put a small position in a few days ago, and it's growing up. So I thought I'd make it public to you guys because it's a low market cap gem that got some serious tech. They keep doing what they're doing. They'll probably be better than CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and all these other guys that do this, what CoinMarketCap is doing, amongst other things. So that's what that tech is geared towards. You can look at that website. The site's down for some reason. I don't know why. It's been down the whole since I found out about them like last Wednesday, and so it's not working. But anyway, if you want to mine, you can make about $7 to $15 a day mining off your computer. I'll leave the links in the description for this stuff here. But you go over here, um, EKA pool, BRB, barrel bit, and you just follow the instructions on his. I went with Phoenix Miner, and I wanted to see what they was doing. It's been mining about 4 hours, so let me show you guys how much I've made in this 4 hours. Okay, here we go. I've made 25 shares, and that's just at 15.835 megahash per second. I've gotten 25 in the last 4.5 5 hours, five or 6 hours. It's currently 1:15 a.m. Eastern time, so I got in after 7 or 8 or 9 last night, and it took a while for it to start finding the block rewards, but once it started kicking, it's been kicking. It's been doing this thing. It's getting a little quicker because it was at 14, 10 shares. I'm sorry, 10 shares at 10 o'clock. No, 11 o'clock, 2 hours ago. So I got a whole 15 more shares in the last 2 hours. But anyway, enough of that. This token is on the rise. So, and you can see this volume is only a 271,000 market cap, fully diluted. The market cap is $247,932, and the volume for the last 24 hours is only $2,548. This came out back in February or March, January or April of this year, and I think it came out at 9 cents, so it's dropped from there. Let me show you guys something else about this token. Look at this total supply. I mean max supply. 283 million, 183 million, 283 million, 218,636 shares. So I'm praying the Father that He lets it go to where comp was at least in 2021, over 1,000. Cause my goodness, if you got a if you got 1 million shares of this, and it's gonna cost you $955.10. But if you got 1 million shares and it's got to $1,000 or $1,000 per share, let me see. Okay, that'd be an even billion that you made off $1,000 investment if this gets to $1,000 per share. Just something to think about, because these are the times to amass these cheap shares of great companies. I'm always on the hunt for the next revolutionary company, so I can buy shares of their company and ride the wave all the way up and sell high and buy low. That's the concept. Remember it. enforce it, execute it. You know what I'm saying? At all times, buy low, sell high. But that's all I got for you guys. You guys have a good night. Peace.